Hello learners, in the previous lecture of this module, we have completed qualities of a credible news. In addition, we have also completed various news writing styles. Furthermore, we have also learned inverted pyramid, hourglass and dramatic unity news style writing. After completion of this video lecture of the module, you will able to define news reporters. In addition, you will also able to identify qualities of a news reporter. Furthermore, you will also able to describe responsibilities of a news reporter towards his organization, sources and readers and society in detail. So learners, let us start this lecture by explaining a reporter. A reporter writes stories, reports events and happening in and around the society. They provide the core of news stories that are published daily in our commercial newspaper or broadcast in the electronic media channels. A good reporter is a great asset for his or her media organization. She is the ear and the eyes her medium. It is what she reports that the audience will know about the reporter touches life with his reports. A news reporter can be a good journalist and develop millions of fan following through his good news writing style and articles. A news reporter should possess some qualities. Number one, command over language. A news reporter must have mastery of the written and spoken language of the medium of expression. That is, reporter must know language of his her media organization and language of his her readers.
If a reporter have more knowledge about media language, he will be able to write the news effective and entertaining. Sometimes due to shortage of time or space, changes have to be made with the news stories. If a reporter have enough knowledge of local language, he or she will be able to write news article precisely.
Number two, update with latest knowledge. It means that reporter must update his knowledge and keep informed himself of latest event and happenings. It helps him during interviewing people or asking questions for getting healthier information.
If a reporter updates himself with the latest information, it will help him to collect fresh and latest information for his reader. No one could mislead him by providing fake information. It will also be helpful for the reporter when he is interviewing a person.
Number three, unbiased. A good reporter must be fair, accurate and objective in his news writing and reporting. Fairness, accuracy and objectivity are news virtue which the journalism profession thrives on. He should write a balanced news story by putting accurate facts and versions of victims, alleged and responsible authorities.
A reporter should keep his opinion and personal interest aside while writing the news story. He should be professional whenever he writes news. He should never mix his opinion and write news stories as an observer. For example, whenever you are writing a crime stories, the journalist should also put statements of victim, the doctor, the investigating officer and statement of the victims fairly in the news article.
Number 4. Creative in nature. A good news reporter must be creative. Creativity makes the reporter see another unique story from an already published. You must always try to keep your readers informed about the latest event or development. You must also be cautious in your dealing that come across you. Don't provide repeated information to your readers.
If a journalist will be creative in nature, he will see a news story from many dimensions or will find many angles in a single event to write various news articles. For example, in early 80s, the Watergate scandal happened in America. Initially, everyone thought it was a case of theft, but some journalists looked at it from another point of view and started their investigation. They found that the Watergate theft was a political scandal in the United States involving the administration of President Richard Nixon from 1972 to 1974. It led to Nixon's resignation. The scandal stemmed from the Nixon administration's attempts to cover up its involvement in the June 17, 1972 burglary of the Democratic National Committee headquarters at the Washington, D.C. Watergate office building.
Number 5. Dressing sense. A good news reporter must know how to dress for the occasion. Otherwise, she will be lost in the crowd or misrepresented. Dressing sense is very essential for a culture or entertainment reporter. If reporter wears a dress as per occasion, he may build rapport very easily with the people and will collect information as he want. Number 6. Patient. It means that reporters should not hurry in news gathering. A good reporter must have patience and invest as much as time as possible to collect information. It helps him to get more information and supplement stories related to event. She must have the ability to stay longer and under stress or pressure. Suppose a reporter went to cover a press conference. There is delay in conducting press conference. He should keep patience and stay there, otherwise he will lose or miss news story. Number 7. Friendly in nature. It means that a reporter should socially active. He should be able to blend easily with all kinds of persons, especially when such persons are primary to getting the news she is pursuing at that moment. It helps him in developing sources to get information.
For example, an education beat reporter regularly visits a university to collect information regarding event happening in the university. If he or she meets only public relation officer to collect information, he or she will collect less stories or only one side information. If he meets with several people such as students, employees and teachers, etc., he will develop more sources and accurate information with multiple sources. His sources help him to see news with another angle.
Number 8. Develop contact. There is no substitute for regular contact that will alert the reporter the first time they hear or see anything newsworthy in the beat. Therefore, a good reporter must have ability to establish contacts and develop sources to get information. During the course of your duty, you may meet several people who may help you in getting information. You must have the ability to win the hearts of millions and confidence and respect of those who may be potential source of news. During the course of your regular duties, people may voluntarily offer you information. Number 9. Multitasking. A good and modern reporter must be multitasking. He should be equipped with an array of skills to meet the demands of diverse media users. He should know latest technology. If he is working for print media, in that case, the basic requirement is to know computer and typing. He should know computer typing and work on internet enabled software. He should also know basics of page designing and editing. Number 10. Take risk. A good reporter must have ability to embark on creative risk and courage, especially in reporting COPs, war, conflict, crime, disaster, etc. For example, if there is a massive protest in the city, a reporter should go on the field to collect information and assess situation rather than writing news story in the sitting newsroom office. It is a good habit. It is always better to be punctual than reach late and ask others. A rival may misinform you and hide some important information. Number 11. Nose for news. A news reporter must have a nose for news. This means the reporter or journalist must be curious about getting news from news or stale situation. The reporter is the most important functionary of a newspaper as far as news operations are concerned. So, one must know what makes news. In order to be able to gather news, you have to be a keen observer so as to discover unusual and exciting material, even in routine stuff. A sharp sense of observation may also help you to gather amusing sidelights of interest to your readers. Your alertness will help you to discover contradictions and problems while you are on your daily beat. This can be the outgoing basis for an exciting news story, even where apparently there was none. Number 12. Outgoing in nature. A reporter must have outgoing in nature. He must visit reporting areas to search news stories or develop contacts for getting information. Professional journalists are never armchair writers. Introverts normally make poor reporters. Reporters have to move about meeting people, making their acquaintance and winning their confidence. This would help them to establish contacts, which in turn helps in writing well investigative reports. Number 13. Ability to unprejudiced observer. A reporter should always be alert while dealing with his subjects. During covering he should maintain a critical distance between him and the subject. He must be a non-participant observer and not a participant. The moment a reporter associates very closely with the subject of his beat, he begins writing for his sources rather than the audience. This is very dangerous. How do you maintain balance and objectivity in your coverage? The first and foremost thing to do is to source your copy properly to assure the reader that what you are passing on as news is not your opinion or some publicity matter in disguise. The sources must be quoted except when they want to remain anonymous. Even when you are not able to quote the sources, you must ensure that the story is balanced by giving adequate coverage to all the sides of the subject. You should always ensure that the information you pressing is true. You can do this by counter checking. Number 14. Skepticism. A good journalist is one who does not take things on face value. Press release or information given to them from people pushing for a certain agenda is only a starting point for a good journalist. Good journalists questions sources and are always prepared to dig around until they get facts they are satisfied with. For example, while you are stabilizing a contact, there may be some among them who may want to plant information on you to serve their vested interest. Such information may consist of half truth and even lies. So, you must have other independent contacts through whom you can verify the information. Number 15. Team spirit. Journalism is not work of a single person. It is work many people. Our reporting is teamwork. Our reporter must have ability to work as a team with the companion journalists such as desk editor, photojournalist and other people. You must be able to work as a member of such a team. Here you must pool your talents, sources and contacts into the team and work under the leader. In the course of time, you may rise to head such a team. Working under a team discipline will certainly be of help to you later.
For example, in a print media organization, to work on the special stories or investigative stories, reporter must have ability to work with team. If you are working as a team, you will get better ideas for news articles. Sometimes better ideas come from editorial desk or photojournalist. So, reporters should keep better relationship with all his colleagues so that they will help and suggest you in generating better news ideas.
Number 16. Cope with pressure. With investigative journalism seeking to bring out scandals and exposures, there is bound to be pressure on journalists to keep someone's wrongdoing hidden from public view. The pressure on journalists is exerted in the hope of preventing exposure. The concerned journalist may also be bribed with attractive favors in return for silence on the matter. Journalists also feel pressure from their media organization to work within guidelines and ideology of their media organization. As a news person, you may provide helpful or harmful exposure to persons holding important positions in your beat. Since many of them need publicity to perform their functions, they seek you out to provide them with the required exposure. They are on the lookout for a minimum of harmful and the maximum of helpful publicity. If they consider it necessary, they may use their power and influence to pressurize you for this. The pressure could be used to make you change the news or kills a story. This constitutes censorship. Pressure could also be applied with the hope of inducing journalists to volunteer the change or omission, which is then equal to self-censorship.
For example, an reporter feels pressure to submit news articles within deadlines. If he or she fails to do so, he or she may be fired from his services. A reporter also feels pressure to miss out news stories and face similar consequences from their media organization. A reporter also feels pressure to work beyond the time limit or to work 24 hours. Media organizations uses part-timer or other beat reporter when a specialized reporter goes on the leave. Part-timer or other beat reporter never replaces a specialized beat reporter. Therefore, specialized beat reporters are instructed to be always available when needed. In this situation, he also feels pressure from family for not giving enough time to family.
Responsibilities of a news reporter. Journalism is a much more serious profession when compared with other professions. Any lapse on the part of journalist is carrying out their duties may harm repercussions both for the news organization and society. A slight laziness in checking or cross-checking certain facts could endanger the credibility of the news organization, proving to be a major block in the way of advancement of reporters' career. Main responsibilities of journalists are: number one, responsibility towards news organization. A reporter has been linked to a soldier on the field. Even the quality of the soldier on field determines to a large extent the quality of an army, so that your ability and the way you discharge your duties as a reporter to go a long way in determining the quality and reputation of your news organization. A reporter must have to obey duties towards his organization. These duties are: number one, a reporter must follow guidelines of her organization. Number two, news reporter must write news stories as per guideline of her media organization. Number three, news reporter must show highest sense of responsibility towards her work because it reflects on the reputation of their media organization. News reporter must provide accurate, unbiased, objective, reliable information to make more credible their organization and establish trust between reader and their media organization. News reporters should not accept bribe for writing news or skipping news. Next, reporters should always be punctual and submit their story timely. He should not use power of reporting to serve their personal ends and for non-professional purposes. Number two, responsibility towards sources. Remember, your sources are sacred. Your credibility in their eyes could be a major factor in your performances as a news person. There are sources with whom you will have to take great pains to establish your credibility, to make them open up towards you. You will have to ensure them that no harm will come to them. If they show desire, you must keep their identity a secret. A reporter must obey following duties towards his sources. Number one, news reporter must assure that no harm will come to her source. Number two, news reporter must respect and protect her source when it required. Number three, journalist must conceal the identity of her source. Next, news reporter should be reliable towards her sources. For example, Watergate scandal incident is a great example of protecting source. In this scandal, reporters Bob Woodward and Carl Bresnan had not revealed the name of their source instead of government and investigating agencies' pressure. Number three, responsibilities towards society and readers. As a news reporter, you have a duty to provide accurate, unbiased, and objective information to the reader. Every effort must be made to ensure that the news is accurate, free from prejudice, and that all sides of the news event are presented fairly. To do so, a reporter must have to perform following duties towards society. Number one, news reporter must rooting out corruption at all levels. Number two, he must draw attention to official negligence or incompetence. Number 3. Reporter must become voice of voiceless people. Number 4. News reporter must encourage citizens to follow their duties towards nation. Number 5. He must scrutinize the work of government, the court and big companies to highlight failures and success. He must ensure that news is not tainted either by fear or favor. News reporters should not glorify crime and justify violence. News reporter must fairly expose wrongdoing in the society. Journalists should care a right of all. A news reporter should not breach privacy of a human being. He must respect people and their rights. So learner, with this we have completed to identify news reporter. In addition, we have also learned duties and qualities of a news reporter. Furthermore, we have also completed various responsibilities of news reporter towards his organization, sources, readers and society in detail.
Now it is time to check your progress. Write down following questions and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. To assess your learning level, we are providing you short as well as long questions. Give answer of the short questions. Number 1. A person who writes news story is called as. Number 2. What is another word which is used for a reporter? Number 3. Who have provided information to the reporter? Number 4. News reporter must encourage citizens to follow their duties towards nation. Is a what kind of responsibility of a news reporter? Number 5. How many types of responsibilities a reporter has to perform? Number 6. In which country the Watergate scandal was happened? Number 7. Who is main accused of Watergate scandal? Number 8. Accurate, unbiased and fair information makes media organization more. Number 9. Multitasking and skepticism are the qualities of a. Number 10. News reporter must write news stories as per guidance of his or her media organization. Is a what kind of responsibility of a journalist? Give answer of the long questions. What do you understand from the term reporter? Explain it in the context of news media. Number 2. What kind of responsibilities has to be followed by a reporter towards his or her media organization? Number 3. Write 3 qualities of a news reporters. Write your answer with appropriate example. Number 4. What is news reporter? Discuss various responsibilities of a news reporter. Number 5. Team spirit, cope with pressure, skepticism are the qualities of a news reporter. Describe them with appropriate examples. Number 5. Team spirit, cope with pressure, skepticism are the qualities of a news reporter. Describe them with appropriate examples. Number 6. What kind of responsibilities a reporter has to be followed towards source in the maintaining credibility? Number 7. How many types of responsibilities have to be followed by a news reporter? Describe all responsibilities with the example when required. Number 8. What kind of responsibilities a reporter has to be followed towards society and readers?